In this first section, we're going to discuss types of corrosion. Corrosion is the deterioration of a substance due to chemical reactions with the environment. While ceramics and polymers can corrode, this unit will cover metal corrosion. The corrosion of a material depends on the physical and chemical properties of the material, as well as its environment. You can see in the image some evidence of metal corrosion, which we'll discuss in more detail in the rest of this section. In nature, most metals are found as ores or oxides. To convert the ore to a pure metal, energy must be put into the reaction as a reduction. Electrons are added to the ore during this reaction. Corrosion reactions, or oxidation, turn the metal back into its more stable oxide form by removing electrons, and energy is released in the formation of the corrosion products. A study conducted by NACE International, which is referenced in the link below here, estimated the annual global cost of corrosion is $2.5 trillion, which could be reduced through proper corrosion prevention techniques to $375 to $875 billion. There are many types of corrosion. Here are the most common types. Galvanic corrosion will be discussed in more detail later in the unit. First, uniform corrosion, which takes place over the entire surface of a metal and is due to chemical or electrochemical reactions where the metal turns into oxides and other compounds. The metal is eventually totally consumed by the reactions. Galvanic corrosion only occurs when two different metals are in contact with each other and immersed in electrolyte solution. One metal is consumed and the other is unaffected. Crevice corrosion takes place in gaps or crevices between two different metals, which exposes it to electrochemical reactions or dirt or other foreign particles that get stuck in the gap. The corrosion, therefore, only occurs near the gap. Pitting corrosion is similar to crevice corrosion, but results in small holes in the surface caused by breaks in a protective coating. The metal outside the hole is unaffected. Intergranular corrosion occurs along the grain boundaries in a metal. This can occur during improper heating, where impurities are located along the boundaries. Selective leaching happens in alloys, where one metal in the alloy is consumed and the others are unaffected. Erosion corrosion occurs over the entire surface of a metal and is due to chemical reactions where the metal turns into oxides and other compounds. Stress cracking corrosion is the result of a corrosive liquid flowing at a high speed along the metal, causing grooves and crevices.